Okay, so here we have the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula solves any kind of quadratic equation. The formula says if there is an equation, a quadratic equation, the solutions are negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this example, a equals 3, b equals negative 4. The coefficients also includes the sign, plus or minus sign, and c equals 1, positive 1. So to solve this quadratic equation, we just plug in these values to the formula. Then we have this x equals a big fraction, negative b, it's negative 4, so that's going to make a positive 4, and plus minus square root of b squared, so negative 4 parenthesis squared minus 4 times a times c, so 4 times a is 3 times c equals 1, and all of them over 2 times a. 2 times a equals 3, so 2 times 3. Now we have to simplify this number to get the solutions. Let's work out the radical first. We have negative 4 squared, it is 16, and minus 4 times 3 is 12. So 16 minus 12 equals 4, and this is the radical, so radical 4 equals 2. So x equals positive 4 plus or minus, the radical is 2 over 2 times 3 is 6. So then x is either 4 plus 2 over 6 or 4 minus 2 over 6. So x is either 6 over 6, which is 1, or 4 minus 2, which is 2 over 6, 2 over 6, which is 1 over 3. So here we have got the solutions. Okay, let's try another example. Okay, the first thing to do in this example is to make the right-hand side 0. If you want to apply the quadratic formula is applicable only to an equation of this type, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. You need 0 on the right-hand side. So we're going to add 2 to both sides of the equation, plus 2, and we get x squared plus 2x plus 2 equals 0. Now a is the coefficient of x squared. Remember, if there is no number in front of a variable, the number multiplied is 1. So a equals 1, and b equals 2, and c equals also 2. So then x equals, so let's review the quadratic formula again. X is the quadratic formula says x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2 times a. So x equals, in this example, minus b plus minus square root of b squared, 2 squared, minus 4 times a is 1, times c is 2. So we have that. All of them over 2 times a is 1. So then this equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of, now this is 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. So negative 4. Denominator is 2. Okay, we can simplify this number more. Negative 2 plus or minus. Now this negative sign becomes I, and square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 times I. So if you divide it by 2, you have to divide each term by 2. So negative 2 over 2 is negative 1. Then plus minus 2i over 2. 2 cancels out. and we have I. So two solutions, -1 plus I and -1 minus I.